You want me to just
Pause.
start?
Well, I don't want to step on your
You don't want to be
words.
talking while I'm talking?
Yeah.
I think that's kind of part of the fun behind the scenes experience. I'm kidding.
Okay, ready and go, and go, go.
But I
go,
can't.
Go.
Oh. You got to go back. This shooter doesn't know how to run a prompter.
So demanding.
I know. It's happened. I've become who I hate.
God.
Are you wondering when you should hire a professional video company and when you can just do it yourself? Well, then keep watching to learn more. So I get this question all the time, and to me, it's actually a very complicated answer because my official position is that professionalism should be something you're striving for in every video you make. So instead of looking at which videos, I think it's better to look at the different parts of the video process and then see where you maybe should hire someone and where you can do it yourself. So I talk a lot about the three parts of the production process, being pre-production, production, and post-production. And guess what? I'm not going to stop talking about it today. In pre-production, there's a producer in charge of managing the whole project, a scriptwriter in charge of writing the script or storyboard. In production, there is lighting to be considered, the actual shooting, the camera work, and then there is someone on site who's asking the questions or running a prompter. Then there is post-production, so you'll need an editor who has an editing software and maybe an animator. And these are just to name a few of the jobs associated with production. So instead of thinking which should be professional and which can you do yourself, think more about the jobs that you actually want to bring in a professional for. Everyone has a different skill set. So me personally, even though I know my way around a camera and some basic lights, I never want to worry about having to set them up if I'm going to be on camera. I've tried it a couple times, I don't like it. So I write all my own scripts and then I have about 8 ready to shoot at a time, and then I hire Erica to shoot them for me. On a great day, I have Stephanie here producing for me, helping me know where we're at and what we're doing, running the prompter, but today she had bigger fish to fry and we couldn't afford to keep her away from that. But I still wanted to get my videos done, so I'm producing, Erica's also helping while I'm being on camera. So in the editing process or post-production, we always rough our own scripts, meaning we edit about 70% of them, and then we always hire an editor to finish them off. And then let me give you a couple of examples of how our clients have done it, because everybody's different. Our client Joyce, she likes to write her own scripts, but she hires us to shoot and edit. My friend Sarah likes to script and shoot her own stuff, and she hires an editor, and then she manages the whole thing herself. She cuts down on a lot of production costs, but her hours invested in the project go way up. So my client Elise, she likes us to write her scripts and edit her footage, but a lot of the time she'll shoot her own stuff. Understanding what you want video to do for your business, the different pieces and parts needed to get it all done, a game plan and a budget is what you really need. But if you're looking to up your video game and you want to learn all about how to create your video marketing strategy and hire the right people to implement it, check out our 5 steps to a professional video and start your journey today. All right, I will make us do a safety.
Yeah, for this one, I was just going to say.
I stumbled all over the place like a mad woman.
Yeah, you did.
I can tell you're not a producer.